Today we are going to see how to use Google Assistant. First of all, on your Android phone, go to Setting. In the setting, you have to search Assistant setting. From here, you have to go to Google Assistant. Here, you have to click on Popular Setting, Hey Google and Voice Match. Then, you have to click on Hey Google option and voice model. You have to turn on Hey Google. After turning on the Google Voice Assistant, you have to just say Hey Google. Then Google will automatically come to in front of your home screen. Then you have to say what to do. Then Google Assistant will do it. If you like this video, give the thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching the video.